This is Pocahontas. Pocahontas is at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. And you have been doing a lot of talking. You said, now I got a big bowl of food. I'm quite happy now. That's what I was trying to tell you earlier, lady. That I wanted my food bowl filled. Pocahontas is about 2 years old. Hi, girl. She's a beautiful ticking fur. You have very pretty fur, Pokey. She's brand new, just came in from her foster home today. Well, I guess I'm not going to hear all your talking that you were doing before, huh? Not nice to be taking videos while you're trying to eat your dinner, is that right? Okay, pretty girl. Bye-bye, Pocahontas. Oh, did you think you might come out now? Oh. Did you have enough? Bye, girl.